Hey guys, this is Connors from Gunroom.tv and you join me here today where we are getting ready for the opening ceremony of the Rifle World Shoot 2019 in Sweden. Behind me you're going to see the world teams gathering, socialising, and everyone's making new friends in preparation for the match starting tomorrow.
The match has now risen from the ashes, even stronger and even better than before. We hope you'll enjoy the match and may the best competitor win. Now, please hold your ears for the first salute. Are you ready? Stand by.
Well, I declare second Rifle World Shoot open.